Okay, so this is for the benefit of the MIG welding forum, where a lot of the info comes from for doing this. I thought I'd give you the wide shot and the full horror of this situation, including the mess, the disorganization, and of course, the hair. Well, we can all have a laugh, can't we? I know, I look like a hobo, but you're not getting this cap off. So the plan is, I think, now I can either put it on a travelling centre, travelling steady, or a some other kind of support, because I'm not sure that I got that in square. These jaws could be bell-mouthed and, you know, whatever. So the plan is, I think it may just be possible to get the jaw. Actually, looking at it, I don't think it will. But I was hoping to get the forejaw right onto there, but let's see what we can do. And I'll set this up, and this time I'll get it so that this is set up to be bang on. Right, any minute now. So really the issue is that I've obviously got a big positive on one side, sorry, a big negative on one side and a smaller positive on the other. So it could be that this shaft is just offset and not actually bent, even though it zeroes here. It could be just askew. So I'm going to ignore this setup. And the problem with this setup is, of course, I can't check at the back here as well. So I'm going to try that. And then we can see how this shaft looks when it is held by, yeah, that's, well, that might, I mean, it might wedge in there, you know. So the thinking is, if I get this in the forejaw and this, the rotor is perfectly square, perfectly everything, perfectly aligned, then it doesn't get any better than that. And if that's as good as it gets, then we can see what this shaft is doing. My beautiful little copper bonker. I saw that one bounce off. And it sounds. Yep. Not too bad, he said. So that's my, I'm going to just call that's my maximum there. There you go. Right, so that is super low. Come in. Oh, what? Do I prefer dark milk or white chocolate? Dark. Plain. That wasn't an option, was it? I'm not awkward. Plain. Definite high there, so you're a bit high. Okay, so we tested that. That looks good. So this is definitely as square and as flush as I'm going to, as square as I'm going to get it. I've got 0 here. I haven't double checked that. Yes, I did that. And it all looks like it runs okay. All I need to do now is make up a key that fits the slot for the new taper lock, and then weld up that gap a little bit. I think with a bit, do you know, I don't even know if I need to weld both sides. I can probably get away with welding just this side, machine that back, you know, file it, machine this back, and then check that dimension. So before I weld up that keyway, I'm going to put a copper dam in place. I've got this lovely piece of copper here. I'm not going to chop a slice out of it. I'm going to chop a little bit off of there. I only need about 6mm, 60mm, so a couple of inches, 2.5 inches by 1/4 inch. So I'm just going to slice a little chunk off of this, and then we'll probably anneal it and forge it into shape. Okay. I don't know if you're looking at that. Are you looking at that? You are looking at that? Yeah, you're looking at that. That's all right. You can see what a mess I make of this. Let's have a go. Yeah, about there. About, I don't want to be too shy, do I? So, careful balance between not having enough and wasting a bit of copper. Yeah, it's all going to get wasted, I think. Mind your ears. Awesome, don't do that. Pretty. Oh, sorry. I don't know what state this was in when I cut it off the bar. It might already be annealed, so let's give it a quick try. See what happens when I sort of hit it. I'm expecting this to really not do very much at all, to be honest. Yeah. Could lose a finger here. Yeah, that's doing nothing. It's a bit loose as well, that's no good. Alright, so let's anneal it. Obviously I've had this on and off a few times, it's a little bit wobbly, so let's just get that it's not wobbly because of that. Anyway, so let's see if we can get this fired up without blowing everything up. Where's my igniter? Something works. Look at that. There you go. That's on. All right. You'll do. It's a slight overkill for a little bit of copper, but you know. Oh, it's lovely and warm. I probably need to raise that. It looks like it's dropped. I'm not putting my hand in there. You see it? Oh. Yeah, I think that little tin of gas we'd have been here all day. So just need to get it red hot, and I think I'll probably forge it while it's hot. I don't need to forge it while it's hot, but no reason why not, I suppose. Is that red hot yet? can't believe it's taken that long. Isn't it? How about that? I think it's a bit low. I don't think the end of that flame wants to be actually hitting the metal. Sorry, the blue gas jet. I don't think that's the hottest part of the jet. I think that's red hot. I think it's got to be. I can't see it. It just looks copper colour to me, but that's red hot. I'm calling it. Oh yeah. There you go. It's definitely red hot. Let's see if this will easily. Yeah. Yeah, you can feel it. It's going super easy. Probably killing my microphone as well. Just remember not to pick it up. And then remember to make sure the camera's pointing at it. There you are. So yeah, I'm starting to get bouncy already, so let's do it again. Oh, sorry. I was going to try and be clever and do this. Hey. That one's not going to make the edit. There you go. Yeah. Okay, so, do you know what? I'm going to call that 1/4 inch. And let's get you on here. I think all we need to do now is get that nice and tidy, and we'll do that with a nice flatter. So we'll just get it flatter with a flatter. Well, that might have already turned. I don't know. Maybe. Turn. Where's my striker? I need a striker. And I should probably wear some earplugs at this point. Oh, what this little microphone is going to make of all this. All right, there you go. So, resist the temptation to bend down and pick up that red hot piece of copper that doesn't look red hot anymore with your bare hands. Raw. Indistinguishable from junk. Should be a bucket somewhere.